Hello friends, I'm Dano from Dano's Bojo, and today I'm going to show you 4 different ways to track your sleep and productivity. I use them along my journaling journey and all of them work wonders, so I hope you find some inspiration in this video. For this video, I'm using the A5 Green Thumb Neapolitan notebook, a fine liner, almost every calligraph from the Jewel collection and the fall planner stamps. Starting with my all-time favorite tracker, it's my sleep and work tracker. I use this tracker in all my monthly spreads and it's where I overview my day in terms of rest and productivity. You can mix if you want to track in the horizontal or in vertical, according to where you put the days and the hours of the day. Personally, I find interesting to do the hours of the day on the top of the tracker and the days on the left side of the tracker in vertical. That's what I did in this video. After making the table, you can select a color code for your sleep, work, studying, etc. You can write the task you're doing or just leave it blank and have a key somewhere, but I recommend adding the names of the task so you keep everything organized. Another way to track your sleep and productivity is by using a Google Calendar type of weekly spread. I use a whole notebook just for these weekly spreads and the layout is exactly like this one. For this spread, I used the stamps for the days of the week and I added 4 topics for the meals of the day, like breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner. For the spread itself, I separated the days in 8 boxes and divided in half for half of the day in one side and the other half on the other side. I added the hours just for a reference, and if you recreate this spread, I recommend also adding somewhere the hours of the day or any type of guiding. The way I use this tracker / weekly spread is the same way I use the sleep and work tracker, but in this one I can add more information since there's more space to write. For example, if I edited a video, I can write which things I did on the video, like cropping the clips or maybe specify what video I am editing. Or the study task, I can set what subjects I studied or maybe the topics, just to be more clear what I did on the task. For the weekend, I used the hour tracking stamp from the stamp pack because there's no space left for the weekend, so I divided the last column for both Saturday and Sunday and used the stamp to track each day, and the method is exactly the same. For the last 2 tracking ideas, I separated the sleep tracker and the study tracker. You can change the name of the study tracker to something you relate, for example, work tracker, instead of studying. I use study tracker because I used this spread as a student and it feels more personal to me. For both trackers, I wrote the days of the month on the left side of the table, and for the study tracker I wrote 10 hours so I can track the amount of hours I've studied that day or in every day, and for the sleep tracker I wrote the usual hours that I sleep instead of the amount of hours like I did for the study tracker. In this case it started at 8 PM and finished at 11 AM. But it's completely up to you the way you want to track each one of these trackers. So those were the ideas that I used to track both my sleep and my productivity. I hope it inspired you to try these spreads, and if you recreate any of these spreads, make sure to tag me at Dano's Buju and also tag Archer and Olive. Check out my blog posts linked in the description for more information about these spreads and to get a fun sleep and work tracker printable made by yours truly. Have a lovely day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you on my next blog post. Bye friends!